Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be setting up the week of June 6th through the 12th in my horizontal planner, classic size horizontal planner. So this is the space I set aside for hand lettering, inspirational quotes, practicing my hand lettering without worrying about it being in my main planner. The theme I'm going to go with is brought to us by, this is the hashtag Mambi HPFB group. That's the Canadian Happy Planner group on Facebook. And their challenge subject this week is friends. And whenever I think about friends, I don't put a lot of people in my planner, but the one set of people that I do like to put in there is the squad girls, which we haven't had any new ones in a while. These are the newest ones. These are, oh gosh, these came out I think right after COVID started, because I remember having to sit in the parking lot and wait on them to bring these out to my car. So maybe summer of 2019. I do have the older ones, the Squad Life and the original Squad Goals, and I've used these in this horizontal planner before. I love them, but when I was looking through the three of them for the choices, I felt like since the subject is friends, a higher percentage of the stickers had two or more girls together in this version, this third round of the Squad Girls. So I'm going to go with these. I like to do two on each day, 4 places to write who the author of the quote was. So I'm going to start with those. This is the accessory book. And I thought what I would do is, since the one thing that makes me hesitate to use these books is there are just so many colors. I feel like there are more colors in these books than in any of the others. And so what I thought I would do is try to narrow down my colors by, this is the size of box I want to use for my author, my who to attribute boxes. So I thought I would go through and look for ones that had 2 people together. So like this kind of aqua blue has 2 girls having lunch, and this hot pink one has 2 of them walking. This one's not seasonal so much as functional. So the first set is like out shopping, running errands, hanging out. The second set is more crafting related. There's an exercise set. Oh, those are all foil, pink foil, and none of them have 2 people, so that's out. There's this exercise yoga. That one's got those 2. And then the last one's kind of more like business, almost business related. So none of those have 2. All right, so for sure these 2. And then let me just see, like I said, I have all the sizes. I was obsessed with Squad Girls. And when they came out with these, I snagged all the different sizes. So I have the mini over there as well. But I don't see any boxes this size in this book. All right, what about the mini? Just because if I don't narrow down the colors, I'm going to get into paralysis. So, okay, there's nothing there. So, let's go ahead and start with this one. This one. Let's just pick our 4, okay? So 1, 2, and that's going to help me set my colors. Go back through these sections again. Those are all hot pink foil. No, that have 2. There was one in here, that's right. There was an exercise one. Here we go, this one. And I don't mind that they're exercising. That's like a social thing that friends could do together. And then, nope, there's not one there. I don't want more exercise though. Let's come back to this first set, because I don't want the pink foil either. I feel like I could use this one with the girl sitting at the table. Like maybe she's waiting on her friend to show up. So there we go. Those are my 4 colors. Okay. So let's start with, and I think I want to separate the blues. So I'm going to come over here and put this one just down low enough to cover up notes. There we go. And then I could come over here with like this pink one. I think I'm gonna go ahead and set these first. Okay, and then there'll be one here, so then I just need to decide where I'm going with these. Like this. That'll work. Or like this. No, I don't want them in the same spot. So let's go here and here. Or maybe, so it'll go boom, boom, boom. I need to put this one up here. Put this one up here. Start out the week with a good workout with your friend. Why not? Knock it out early in the week, like eating your vegetables. Eat them first. Get the yucky stuff out of the way. That's what I thought when I was a kid anyway. Okay, so let's look for something. So I don't want to put big stickers like this with the boxes. So I need something else to go with the boxes. So let's see what else. Like these, like brunch date. Could go with that one. Maybe that's a brunch date. Although, I think I don't want to make this whole entire cluster this dark blue. Let's see what else. What else is there to go with it? Lunch, brunch, coffee. Not a lot of, other than the girls themselves, not a lot of decorative. So, let's look in here. Let's start with the section I'm in. So I'm in this section. Okay, so here's some little florals and stuff. That could say coffee date. All right, let's come over here. I like this coffee date sticker. So I guess I am kind of sort of thinking I will build clusters all in the same color. So if I go coffee date here, although that doesn't match exactly. Ugh. This is the other problem I have with these books. They are so, like, the colors don't even match. I could put some florals. These are cute. How about some florals with her? Let's do some florals. Looks like I've never even used them. Okay, so that one's done. Let's see what we're gonna do with this one. So is this the same? Yeah, this hot pink, that was the same section. So maybe with this one I'll do coffee date. They look like they could be heading for coffee. Oh, how about a rainbow? This one with the gray. That'll bring in the gray from these pages. I kind of want something under it. Just wondering if I want one of these remembers. Remember, you have a coffee date. Well, here's some nice little hot pink flowers that match that box. How about that? There. Okay. So now for this one then, I do want to go ahead and pick a pair of girls. Like these two are cute with the, I don't have any with the, this theme, they're planning. I think they're planning. And there's two together. Yep, there we go. I'm just wondering which ones are, I think, I guess they're about the same size. All right. Super cute. Oops. I wonder if there's one of these that says something about planner date or lunch date, coffee date. Big plans, don't forget. Planner sesh, there we go. Let's put planner sesh on there. Excellent. I kind of like it. I don't think that really needs anything else. I kind of want something big down here, but let's wait and look for that after we get finished. So I need two sets of girls here and here, but let's finish these off. So I need like aqua blue maybe, or do another rainbow. Yeah, let's do another rainbow. I'm just going to very lightly stick it because I don't know what else I'm going to put with it. I want more with that cluster. Workout plan. Ooh, here's another cup of coffee. Ooh, how about another cup of coffee? Because they look like they're having coffee, actually. Where are all those hanging plants? Oh, there's some. I kind of want a plant. How about this little plant? Or this one? Let's do this one. And what I'm going to do is move this rainbow. Oops, and of course it ripped the page. Of course it did. Okay, I think that's enough for that one. Let's come up here and finish this one off. What's in that yoga workout area? More, that's where I keep getting the rainbows. Okay. Maybe this is where I put my cup of tea. Although I feel like you want something iced after you work out. You know? What's in the mini book? I haven't gotten out the mini book yet. Lots of little mini stickers. Makes sense. Look how different the colors are in those two books. Can you see that? Not really. They're quite a bit different. Ooh, those are cute. Great big clusters. Isn't it funny how the biggest clusters are in the mini book? How about stay positive and one of those sets of flowers? And I almost like want to overlap it, but it needs to be a small set of flowers. How about this one? So we need a cluster here and a cluster here with the girls. So let's look for more pairs of girls that I don't already have on here somewhere. So they're all alone, although I could put two of them together, so we'll keep that in mind. They're all separate. They're all separate. Here's some more together. So I've already got the two having lunch. I've got the two walking. I could put these two with little jackets on. Let's look for ones I haven't used yet, the ones that were single. So planner sesh, I have two there. So much flipping. We need a couple business girls. Are they too tall? No. Let's see. I like these two on the phone. I could put them together. Oh, if I put them together, then why would they be on their phones if they're talking to each other? So that doesn't make any sense. Here's one with coffee. Let's do coffee and shopping, like they're together. So I'm gonna have, or these two both have coffee. Let's put, I know, I'm all over the place. Just part of the reason why I just find these books a little bit more difficult to use. I don't know why. They're not laid out as well. Okay, so she's walking and she's waiting on her friend to catch up. There we go. And then I saw some kind of like awning, some like the scalloped stickers that, here we go, like this, to put over their heads. Like they're walking out from under an awning. There's some. How about this peachy pink color? There we go. They're at the coffee shop. Okay, one left right here, one left. Just looking for something a little bit unique that I don't have anywhere yet. Hi, Calcifur. How was lunch? Good stuff? I think I said I had all these ladies, didn't I? I kind of like these two though. This one holding the plant. I don't really have her anywhere. I love the plants. There's that plant, so I could put, let's put her on here. And she's walking up to her friend to give her a plant. How nice is that? There we go. And I really feel like that's about all I need. I mean, I don't have room for an awning for them. Maybe another little sticker saying what they're doing. I don't know. I think I got that out of the mini book. This is the mini book. This book. Let's see. You got this. Just something tiny. I'm looking for something tiny. Oh, I was going to put something down here too. Oh my gosh. I am all over the place. Love this. I don't really have any red. Good vibes. That's kind of cool. Alright, good vibes it is. That works. Good vibes. Okay. I think that's it. I mean, I know that was really fast. I never ended up putting anything down here, did I? This book is really uneven. It's difficult to flip through for some reason. Planner's got a plan. So I need, if I had something like that I could just put in this corner, but that color I don't really have anywhere else. And that one's got 3 people actually. That's what we're gonna go with unless I find something better. Plan a happy life. Cheers to the weekend. Weekends are for friends. Or planner's got a plan. Well, this theme of this spread is friends. So how fitting is it that I put that one on there? And I do have a little bit of that brown. So we're going with it. We're doing it. Weekends are for friends. That's perfect. And I'm actually gonna put it, this is where I put my one big word. So like my one big word could be friends. And then all the quotes would be about friends. So I think I want to stick this a little closer to the corner. Well, do I? Yeah, I do. The sticker has decided it. I know I can't lift it back up. So not quite all the way in the corner, but a little bit that way. There. That's cute. And if I use a brown, like a mustard yellowy brown pen somewhere over here, that'll help balance that sticker. So I'm gonna put it back in the planner. It's not really a planner, it just is like the archive that sits on my shelf because I don't really need to have this with me. So there we go. There is my horizontal spread with the theme of friends for practicing my hand lettering with some fun inspirational quotes. I hope you like this video. I hope it encourages you to make some fun, colorful spaces for yourself to do some hand lettering. If you do like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.